Are you trapped in a box? Are you paddling the canoe? Oh, the umbrella! I'm sorry, you're not a really good mime. A really good one of these can be soothing, meditative, um, not even, that words cheapen what the experience is like. Smells and bells, no smells and bells. The sounds that aren't about the singing, the sounds of bodies in old wooden pews, stone building. These are my favorites when you're in an old one. Or, I've talked about a friend named Ken. Lovely guy, just a lovely guy. And he sang in a men and boys choir when he was young. And when he lived in New York, we would go to Evensong. We would go to different performances. He would talk about things that he had sung or not sung. And one day, one evening, we were not at Evensong, but we were hearing the Ceremony of Carols by Benjamin Britten. And they did a pretty good job through the first three numbers. When he leaned over to me during this number with the fugue and the weird intervals and said, "Here's where it all falls apart." And he was right. It's the one that's da 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 da. I'm probably getting the ascending line wrong. But then they all come in, maybe in three different parts, staggered measures, and it makes the da 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 really hard to hit because it's, I'm not in the right key and it's a couple octaves higher. And you're young. You're 9 years old. And what's funny is when I picture this, including the leaning over, including my stifled laughter, including my sense of compassion and empathy for the kids up there singing, when I consider all of it, I still feel a sense of relaxation and ease and just easy delight at being alive. And words can't really define it.